In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to change your mouse cursor on Roblox. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're first going to begin by typing in icons 8 and going to this web page. Once you're there, you're going to be searching cursor. You can get any more specific as you would like, but choose whatever cursor that you would like to change your Roblox cursor to. I'm going to change it to this blue pointer. You're then going to click download and click custom size and make sure that it's 64 by 64. Then you're going to download it and make sure to unzip it and find the download. You're then going to find Roblox Studio in your applications and right-click it. Open the file location and you'll be brought somewhere over here. Find Content, then click Textures, Cursors, and Keyboard and Mouse. You're going to have to bring these icons into this file location and move it. You're then going to change the name to the cursors that you want to change. For example, I'm going to rename this to Arrow Cursor. If you want to change multiple of them, you're going to do that as many times as you would like. That's all for today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.